Cangzhou Jiaguo Hardware Manufacturing Company Limited is located in Cangzhou City, Hebei Province, China. We are a professional manufacturer of stamping parts and various hardware products. We specialize in the processing of various materials such as aluminum, steel, and stainless steel. Our best-selling products include hardware stamping parts, deep drawing parts, and welding parts. We have a professional R&D team and frontline technical workers with decades of work experience who can meet the requirements of different customers and develop new products. At the same time, most of the credit must flow to advanced production lines and equipment, including advanced 4-column hydraulic presses, riveting machines, 600-ton large hydraulic presses, edge rolling machines, etc. We provide services for the automotive industry, seat mechanisms, EV battery enclosures, furniture industry, structural reinforcements, decorative hardware, power industry, transformer casings, switchgear components, and metal shell industry, IP67 rated industrial cabinets, etc. Adhering to quality first and reputation first, we strictly control quality with good service and competitive prices. Our factory covers an area of 3,300 square meters and has fixed assets of 3 million yuan. We have passed the ISO 9001 system certification. We firmly believe that Jiaguo's products, team, and services will meet the expectations of our customers. Welcome to visit our factory. Our goal is to become your most reliable supplier. Please contact us.